Welcome to UnSarkari everyone. We'll be continuing the questions of HCM and LCM that were previously asked in the UPSC examination in CSAT. So, continuing with this question now. Five persons fire bullets at a target at an interval of 6, 7, 8, 9, and 12 seconds, respectively. The number of times they would fire the bullets together at the target in an hour is. तो यानी कि बेसिकली वो कह रहे हैं कि देयर इज दिस फर्स्ट पर्सन, second person, third person, fourth person, and the fifth person. And what happens is this first person fires the bullet after an interval of 6 seconds. So basically, if first time he or she fires after 6 seconds, second time they will fire again after 6 seconds, and so on. The cycle will continue for 6 seconds interval for the first person. Then for the second person, the case becomes for 7 seconds. For example, यहाँ पे this person takes her 7 seconds instead of 6 as compared to the first one. Then for the third it is 8 seconds, fourth one it is 9, and for the fifth one it is 12 seconds. जो interval है shoot करने का target को वो. Then they're asking the number of times they would fire the bullets together. So basically again together word का use हो सकता है या फिर simultaneously they can use the word simultaneously. Basically these words mean कि इकट्ठा ऐसा कब टाइम आएगा जब वो इकट्ठा कोई भी चीज़ कर रहे हैं. For example यहाँ पे जैसे bullets fire करने की बात हो रही है. तो in this particular case again we need to find the LCM first, and then we need to find कि LCM के ऐसे कितने multiples हैं. For example, if you multiply LCM by any natural number, then how many such multiples are present within 3600 seconds? Because see, यहाँ पे the unit should remain the same. Here we are talking about 6 seconds, 7 seconds, 8 seconds, and so on. And now it is written in an hour. So hour basically 1 hour has 3600 seconds. So converting into this form, we just wrote it because the units are the same होनी चाहिए. So first we'll find out the least common multiple of these particular numbers here. So we have 6, then we have 7, then we have 8, 9 and 12. So 6 we can write in the form of 2 multiplied by 3. 7 is as it is because 7 itself is a prime number. This we can add in the form of 2 raised to the power 3. This can become 3 raised to the power 2, and this can become 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2. So 4 3s हो जाएगा, right? Then finding out the least common multiple of these numbers, we can write here 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 7. And after multiplying all these, we'll get 504 as the least common multiple, which means के जैसे अभी 6 seconds हुए हैं, तो ऐसे करके अगर हम इन सबको इकट्ठे एक टाइम पर स्टार्ट करते हैं तो पूरे जब डॉट 504 सेकेंड हो जाएंगे यहाँ तक. अगर हम अज्यूम करें कि यहाँ पे 504 सेकेंड कंप्लीट हो रहा है, तो 504 सेकेंड जब आएगा उस टाइम पर दे विल अगेन simultaneously together. They will for the first time, not again, sorry. For the first time what will happen is they will shoot the target together, यानी कि at a single moment. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि कोई भी मिस हो रहा है. That is basically the concept of least common multiple. We discussed this thing previously as well. So basically this is the least common multiple. So it means that first time they will shoot together at the 504th second. But now they are asking that within 3600 seconds, how many times will they shoot simultaneously or shoot together? So we just need to divide 3600 by 504. So this will go by 7, which will be equal to 3528, and the remainder will be 72. So we do not need to focus upon the remainder, but we need to focus upon is कि within this time frame, that is within 3600 seconds or within an hour, वो 7 times अपनी cycle complete कर सकता है. क्योंकि देखो 504 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 7 से, तो जो नंबर आ रहा है दिस इज स्मॉलर देन 3600, यानी कि 7 इज द आंसर कि वो 7 टाइम्स ऐसा टाइम आएगा दोबारा जब वो इकट्ठा बुलेट्स को शूट करेंगे एट अ पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट लाइक साइमल्टेनियसली. So 7 will be the answer for this particular question. Reading the next question, there are 5 hobby clubs in a college. तो पहला photography है, फिर we have yachting, then we have chess, then we have electronics, and then we have gardening. So basically 5 hobby clubs हैं. So see what is happening is all the types of questions all the types of questions that we are having, वो concept and the method majorly remains the same, just that they are changing the names or perhaps the categories है. जैसे यहाँ पे hobby clubs की बात हो गई. Normally we talk about shooting या फिर bell ring करना. So these are just different types of examples. If you understand the concept, then it becomes easier for us to solve the questions. Now this question says the gardening group meets every second day. तो यहाँ पे days की बात हो रही है. So for example, here we have the gardening group, then we have the electronics group, फिर chess का है, फिर yachting का, and then we have photography group. तो जो gardening वाला group है, that meets every second day. Electronics, third day, then we have fourth, fifth and sixth. Right? तो basically what means is, for example, अभी Monday को gardening वाला group मिला. तो Tuesday and then Wednesday. तो Wednesday को again they will meet. तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे जो गैप आ रहा है वो 1 day का है. गैप 1 day का है. इंटरवल बेसिकली रिमेन्स द सेम. इंटरवल 2 days का यहाँ पे लिखा है ना, मीट्स एवरी सेकेंड डे. तो एंड अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ग्रुप, सपोज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ग्रुप अगर मंडे को मिला है, सपोज वो मंडे को मिला है, देन इट विल मीट ऑन थर्सडे, वेडनेसडे थर्सडे, राइट, आफ्टर अ गैप ऑफ 2 days. बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऑन द लिखा है, राइट, एवरी थर्ड डे, एवरी फोर्थ डे. तो यानी कि हम जिस दिन पे वो पहले मिले थे उस दिन के कंटेक्स्ट पे हम बात करेंगे कि वो कौन से दिन मिल रहा है. Then the question says how many times do all the 5 groups meet on the same day? All the 5 groups. तो again यहाँ पे simultaneously together वाली बात आ गई है. 5 groups meet on the same day within 180 days. In the previous question that we did, they were talking about 3600 seconds. That is within an hour. तो वहाँ पे जो units थी वो seconds की थी. यहाँ पे जो units हैं वो days की हैं. And ये भी हमें days का ही दिया हुआ है. So we do not need to convert anything. First, we'll just find out the least common multiple of these numbers. For example, we have 2 here, then we have 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 4 we can add in the form of 2 raised to the power 2, 5 remains the same, and this becomes 2 multiplied by 3. So basically it will be, the LCM will be 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now this becomes 20 multiplied by 3, so it becomes 60 here. यानी कि the least common multiple हमारे पास आ रहा है, that is equal to 60. तो then they're asking meet on the same day within 180 days. तो यानी कि 180 days के time frame के अंदर वो कितनी बार मिलता है. So we'll just divide the least common multiple. यानी कि जो वो first time इकट्ठा मिलेंगे, that will be on the 60th day. क्योंकि यहाँ पे बात हो रही है ना every third day, every fourth day की. तो अगर हम 180 days की बात करें, we'll simply divide this. तो ये पूरा जाएगा यहाँ पे. तो we'll have the remainder as 0, which means that they will meet 3 times within the time frame of 180 days. So 3 will be the answer for this particular question.